Good morning, guys! I'm Kim from the Philippines, and now I'm here in Skydive Spaceland Houston. Yes, you heard it right. It's skydive. I'm going skydiving today. So it's currently 7:15 here in the morning. Once we're in the sky, they'll be using their own camera. So I'm not sure where's the entrance. I think this one.
Hey there, Miss Kim. How are you?
Hello, very good.
You're doing good. Tell everybody watching, what are we doing today?
We're going skydiving!
Yeah, this is your first time?
Yes, first time.
Whose idea was it?
Me?
High five. Awesome.
I think.
Any special occasion that made it happen today?
Nothing.
Just having some fun?
Yes.
That's a good enough reason. So we're going to see how well you listen in class then. How high are we going today?
14,000 feet.
Yeah, it's about 2.5 miles or just about 4 kilometers from where we're standing. How fast do we fall?
We're going to fall 120 miles per hour.
Yeah, it's about 190 kilometers an hour. We're going to be moving pretty fast. The important question, are you going to open the parachute?
Yes.
Okay, how high?
6,000 feet.
So how do you know when we're at 6,000 feet? Yeah, that altimeter right there. So what happens if you just totally forget all this stuff?
Of course, where is he? He will help me.
Where's your instructor? Rob, you gonna take care of this lady for us? All right. Okay, you feeling good about all this?
Yes.
How about
Super excited.
excited? And anything you want to say to your friends and family watching?
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kim from the Philippines, no space.
Okay, lady, have fun. I'll see you on the airplane, okay? Let's do it. Yeah, Kim! We did it! How was skydiving?
It's amazing.
Amazing. So what was the best part?
Everything.
Everything. Here, turn towards the light so I can see you. There we go. So, was there a scary part?
No.
No?
I'm so excited to jump.
Sounds like your instructor did pretty good, don't you think?
Love you, did
Thank you,
good.
Rob. So Kim, what are you going to do next time you're in Houston?
I think I'm going again.
All right, sounds awesome. What do you want to tell all your friends and family about skydiving?
It's super fun. You should try it. It's like once in a lifetime. You really need to try it.
Well, you did amazing. High five, great job.
Thank you.
Thanks for jumping with us.
Thank you.
Woo!
And I'm back here in my hotel room, safe and sound. As you have watched, I just did my first tandem skydiving with Skydive Spaceland Houston, and it was super fantastic. No words can express how much I felt. I never felt that I jumped from an airplane. It's super fast. So I'm here now just to tackle everything that's not in the video. First things first is, of course, how much did I pay? I only paid $320 because during Black Friday, I purchased this ticket. That $320 is already the premium package with video, with photos. And for more packages, you can check out their website, which is flashing right to your screen right now. And you can also follow them in YouTube and in Instagram and in Facebook. Just type Skydive Spaceland Houston. Actually, this is my second time in Houston. During my first time here, I went to NASA and I also made a vlog about it. If you want to check that out, you can just click the link above. Now, my hotel is right in downtown Houston, Le Meridian, downtown Houston. And going to Skydive Spaceland Houston, I took Lyft and Uber. It will cost you $37 to $38 one way. I know that's so much, but it's 39 miles away from my hotel. That's why it's expensive. However, that's my main goal, why I went to Houston to skydive with Skydive Spaceland. And about the staff, they're not really featured except for Rob and Nico. They're amazing, they're great, they're perfect. That's all I can say because they really are. The staff of Skydive Spaceland Houston, by the time I arrived, they're so smiling and they're so accommodating, they're so hospitable, and they're like this. Hi, Miss Kimberly, like that. Actually, I forgot to remove. The tag is still there. The one that is not included in the video that they captured is once you arrive, you will go to their front office reception and they're going to ask you if you already availed their packages. I did already. So they gave me a waiver form. You need to sign that up. That's 9 pages. So whatever happens, they're not liable. You also have the choice if you want your attorney read it. And there's this card that you need to fill out. What name do you want to put there? That's my mistake there because I forgot to put Kim from the Philippines instead of Kimberly. And they're going to look for your ID because you need to be 18 years old up. Of course, the ID with date of birth. Don't bring any ID without date of birth because that's the main goal of bringing your ID. And the second thing is you need to choose the music that they're going to use to edit your video. So they have this iPad, so that if you don't know really or you're confused what music to put on your video, you can listen to it while you're filling out or while you're signing that 9 pages waiver form. After that, they will assist you to the training room and they'll personally teach you how to jump, what to do, how many feet we're going to fly, speed that we're going to fall, and after that they're going to let you watch a video. After that, everything happened was all the video that you just watched a while ago. Weather is a very big factor when it comes to sky jump. So I'm contacting and I'm communicating with Skydive Spaceland Houston through Instagram and they really reply. So if you have queries and concerns and issues with yourself and with skydiving, I've been praying for good weather for this past 3 days and I'm just so blessed. Thank you, Lord, for always hearing my prayers. It's an amazing experience. very amazing. Amazeballs. That's all I can say. That's it for my video. If you have any questions regarding skydiving, about my experience, you can just put a comment below. I would love to hear your experiences. If you already did the skydiving experience with Skydive Spaceland Houston or wherever that skydiving center is, you can put your comments below, your experiences below. You have questions, just please ask me. I really appreciate it. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that like button below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more adventures and travel around the world, and hit that bell for notifications. Bye bye.